Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. This is the chapter test for Chapter 1 in your My Math book. This is Form 2A. Let's begin. Which of the following shows the numbers ordered from least to greatest? Here's your numbers. You need to stack them, lining up the decimals and filling in any placeholders with zeros. So that way you understand which is greater and least. You're going to put the littlest number first, so which one of these answers has the littlest number first? Number 2. Which of the following shows the numbers ordered from least to greatest? I've put a dash in between each of these chunks so you can more clearly see the numbers. You need to stack them and figure out which one is the littlest and which one is the biggest, and which of these answers have them ordered correctly. Number 3. What is 6,234 written in standard form? So you need to look at A, B, C, or D and see which one of these says the standard form for this number. Number 4. What is 3,121,451 written in standard form? Check out your answers. Number 5. What is the value of the underlying digit in this number? So you're going to look at that 5 and tell me, is it worth one of these answers? Number 6, what is the value of the underlying digit in this big number? Again, if all of these numbers were 0, how much is that 8 worth? Here are your options. And number 7, how is the fraction 39/100ths written as a decimal? Here's your options. Pay special attention to where that decimal is. All right, number 8, you're going to be using this table right here to help you out. Number 8, which Great Lake is the greatest in size? So you're going to look down this size category and analyze your numbers and see which one of those numbers is the biggest, and that'll be your answer for 8. Next, which Great Lake is the deepest? You're going to look at this category for depth and see which one of these is the biggest number, showing you the deepest. That'll be your answer for number 9. Number 10, which Great Lake is the smallest in size? Again, you're going to see the word size and come down this category and look at those numbers and see which one is the smallest number for the Great Lakes and which one is the smallest in size. Number 11, which Great Lake is the most shallow? You're going to look over here on the depth. Shallow means the opposite of deep. So which one of these numbers is the littlest number, showing you it is the least deep, and you're going to put that on number 11. Alrighty, number 12 and 13 and 14 take a little bit extra work, a little bit more work. Number 12, Lynn can walk 2 miles in 24 minutes. At this rate, how long will it take her to walk 6 miles? So first of all, you have to figure out how long it takes her to walk 1 mile. So you're going to take 24 minutes divided by 2, and that will give you an answer. You then take that answer and times it by the 6 to get how long it will take her to walk in 6 miles. Number 13, read very carefully. The Glendale Plaza building in Glendale, California is 353 feet tall. The U.S. Bank Tower in Los Angeles, California is 1,017 feet tall. Which building is taller? They're not asking for state. They're not asking for numbers. They're asking for building names. So, which building is taller, and tell me how you can prove that. Number 14. After going on vacation, Mandy came home with $5. She spent $6 on a pair of sunglasses, $10 on snacks, $4 on a book, and $5 on arcade games. How much money did she start with? Take all those numbers and add them together, and that'll tell you what she began her trip with. Please make sure before you turn in your math test that you have worked on your Prove It page and answered and have a Prove It equation for each of your questions. Also, make sure your name is on every piece of paper you have. Thank you and good luck.